Hey everyone, welcome back to Editing Basics. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to add fonts on Picsart. So let's begin. First of all, open your Picsart application. Now here in the middle, you can see this plus icon, tap on it. So here you can add a blank project. So press on blank. Now it will take some time and a new project is open. So to add any fonts here on the bottom, just scroll through the right. So as you can see the text option, tap on it. Now enter your desired text. You can write anything here, and here on the top select this tick mark. So as you can see, you have added your fonts. Now you can edit them by having different colors or having different spacing and strokes, and just tap on the stick button at the last, and now you're done. So this is the easy and fastest way to add fonts in Picsart. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you.